The spinning circle on Windows signifies system strain, but there are effective ways to enhance performance. First, optimizing visual effects can significantly improve responsiveness. Disabling shadows, animations, and transparency frees up valuable resources. To do this, access the system properties by typing CSDM. CPL in the search box, navigate to the Advanced tab, and select Adjust for best performance. For those who prefer customization, individual tweaks can also be made. Next, managing system maintenance is crucial. Initiating maintenance manually can be done through the control panel under System and Security. Scheduling automatic maintenance ensures regular upkeep without user intervention. Regularly defragmenting the hard disk is essential for optimizing data access speed, especially for refurbished computers. Improving system responsiveness involves disabling unnecessary features. Turning off Windows tips and tricks eliminates distracting pop-ups. Pausing OneDrive syncing can also relieve system strain, allowing for smoother operation. Additionally, disabling fast startup can lead to a more consistent boot process, enhancing overall stability. Keeping the system clean and updated is vital. Utilize Storage Sense to clear out unnecessary files and consider using a trusted registry cleaner for optimal performance. Regularly updating device drivers is essential for avoiding crashes and ensuring smooth operation. Removing bloatware helps free up resources, particularly on used laptops and desktops. Power settings play a significant role in performance. Switching to high performance mode unleashes the full potential of the system, though it may consume more energy. Disabling game mode when not in use ensures resources are allocated efficiently for essential tasks. Lastly, the classic fix of shutting down and restarting Windows can resolve many performance issues. This simple action clears temporary files and resets the system state, often leading to improved responsiveness. In summary, by adjusting visual effects, managing system maintenance, disabling unnecessary features, keeping the system clean, and optimizing power settings, users can significantly enhance their Windows experience. These steps not only improve performance but also extend the lifespan of devices. With these strategies in hand, the spinning circle can become a thing of the past, paving the way for a smoother, more efficient computing experience. If you are in need of computer assistance, please consider Omaha Computing Solutions. Their team of experts have decades of experience with making computers run like new.